So let's see, what do I want to show you guys first? That's the last thing I want to show you. So I want to show you 2 things that I got from Amazon. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this Paraffin Spa Treatment, like a foot bath type thing from Amazon. I got this from Amazon. It's by Conair, but it's the TG Soft or Smooth and Soften, and it includes the Paraffin Wax. So let's open it up and let me show you guys what it is. So basically, it's for crusty feet. And you dip your feet in there and let them sit in there in the paraffin wax, and then you pull your feet out. You pull your foot out of the wax, and when you take the wax off, your foot should be softer. Now, I got this for my husband, but I don't know if he's gonna let me use it on him. He only lets me like do spa type stuff with him, maybe like twice a year. So fingers crossed. All right. So that's the box. So yeah, y'all, only 1 foot at a time can go in here, but you just take the lid off and you plug it up here, and the paraffin wax is like this block of wax. And that's why I also don't want to use it yet until I get like, do I like break it or do I, okay. Like, can I reuse it, you know? So this is the paraffin wax. This is the actual tub that the wax goes in, and when you get ready to use it, you just plug it up. It'll heat up, and you dip your feet in there. Now, my husband's foot probably won't fit in here. Mine definitely will, but his won't. But you can also just put your heels in there, or you can use it on your hands as well. Like if you want to get softer hands, or you want to soften your hands, you can put your foot in, your hand in there as well. And it just has an off and an on switch. Very, very cool. So this was from Amazon again, y'all. I almost got it from Ulta, but it was more expensive on Ulta. I found it cheaper on Amazon, so you know what I did. I went to Amazon and I purchased this one. All right, so that's the first thing. This is the second thing that I want to show you guys. It is a wax melter, wax heater, just a wax machine. So I want to start like waxing. I honestly got this for my husband. Again, I got this for my husband because I want to wax his chest hair. Again, he's probably not going to let me do that, but it's worth a try. If not, I'll just be waxing my underarms, legs, all that good stuff. So when you take it out the box, looks like this. I'm going to put the box there. And this one came with, ooh! All right, this one came with a lot of stuff. Here's the lid. And it came with this little thing here, so you can put the lid on there, but I guess it's to save space, it's not on there yet. So it also came with 2 waxes. It came with a blue wax and a purple. No, both of them are like a shade of blue. So it came with the wax bead, and here's the little warmer. And basically again, you plug it in, attach it right here on the back, and then plug it into your plug. Turn it on to whatever heat measurement you want it to be on. Pour your wax beads inside of here, and it also came with popsicle sticks, so I'm happy about that. So this is the second thing that I wanted to show you guys. Again, it is a wax warmer, and it came with the beads, wax beads, the sticks, and a lid. Great purchase. I can't wait to use this. Y'all, please pray for me. Pray that my husband will let me wax his chest hair. All right, the next stuff I'm going to show you guys are items that I got from Elf. Elf. And some of these items actually came for free based on my purchase. They have a new line at Elf called the Mint line, Mint Melt line, and it's just a whole bunch of stuff that's in mint green. So what I decided to get was some makeup brushes. Okay, I got some makeup brushes. There are 3 that came in here. It's a brush set. I also, I think I got this brush for free. This is our gift to you. Thanks for being elfing amazing. This is a flat eyeliner brush. It is so pretty. It's pink and metallic. Very cute. I love it. And then I got this makeup pencil. Look at that color. So pretty. Oh my goodness. So this is a eyeshadow pencil, no budge eyeshadow in the color. What's the color? It doesn't have a color. Meant for you. Meant for you, but it's M-I-N-T. And it comes with the sharpener on the bottom. That's really cute. Meant for you. Eyeshadow pencil. It's not supposed to budge, so we will see. And this is cool because this is actually a theme that me and Marcel, we got matching. I'm going to show y'all in a few minutes how this ties in. But yeah, the eyeshadow pencil. Then I got some free lashes as well. They were just giving out lashes, or they may have been like $1. These are the natural. This is the natural lash kit. They look very fake though. But I should have put them on in the video today. I'll have these on in my next video probably. But yeah, some eyelashes to add to my collection. Even though I honestly can't stand putting on lashes, y'all. I can't stand it. Can't stand it. Next up, I got the Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. So this is a primer that you put on your face before putting on foundation. I haven't tried it yet, but it sounds like it's going to like give a cooling effect. So I'm excited to see what it's like to put this on. This one I have tried. This is the Limp Plumping Gloss. Y'all, I love it. I love how it tastes. I love how it feels. I love how it smells. I love how it looks. So cute. And of course, I'm going to tear the little tape off. I just wanted to keep it on for you guys, so when I show you, it looks like I haven't opened it. But yeah, you can see like the little emptiness here. Goes to show you that I have been using the Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss. And last but not least, I have the Cleansing Cloud. This is, I don't know, this might be what I'm most excited about in the collection. I've been wanting to try e.l.f.'s cleansing cloth. And oh my gosh, this is my first time feeling it. It feels really soft. Really soft, y'all. So basically you use it to like cleanse your face. I'm scared because I'm brown skin. This thing is gonna be brown in no time. That's why I want the black one. I want to order the black one, but it's always out of stock. So I'm gonna try and order the black one of this very soon. All right, y'all, so that's everything that I got from e.l.f. Next, I want to show you guys what I purchased at Ulta a couple of weekends ago. I haven't used the stuff. That's why I'm saying this is like my last What's New Wednesday, because I be holding on to stuff and not using it because I haven't shown y'all, and I need to use my stuff. The first the first item that I want to show you guys is this little kit called the No Mo Bush Wax hair removal kit. This is a No Mo Bush hair removal kit from, who is this from? What company is this called? What's the company name? But I already have it, and this company is the same company I use. I use their wax strips to like wax my chin hair. I only get like 1 or 2, and I have to like wax it maybe like every 2 months. But yeah, this is the No More Bush Wax Kit. Bikini hair removal kit with waxing strips and post-wax aloe cream. So we're gonna see how this works out. Next up from Ulta, I got this Hydra Boost. Y'all, I love the Neutrogena Hydra Boost line. But this one is for sensitive skin. It's a gentle cleansing lotion. So I have been wanting a cleansing product that I can squirt on my hands. Like normally I use the cleansing balm. It's cool, but I get my hands dirty, and sometimes I don't want to get my hands dirty. So this, I can just squirt on my face and just remove my makeup with this. So that'll be cool. Can't wait to try it. It says, effectively removes impurities for soft, supple skin. Gentle cleansing lotion. It sounds like a winner to me, y'all. This sounds like a winner. And then I have 2 more items. I have the Putty Blush from e.l.f. in the color Caribbean. We can try that out now because I don't really have a blush on right now. But I don't have a mirror, so I don't know how this gonna look. I don't have a mirror nowhere. So yeah, it looks like this. Oh yeah, this is not really a putty. It's like a cream blush. Let me get a mirror because I don't want to look. You know what? I might have a mirror in here. Let's see. Nope. Let me get a mirror. All right, y'all. I got a mirror. I'm gonna put this here. And before I do the blush, the cream blush on my face, just very quickly, I got another one of my very most favorite mascara. This is the Essence mascara in Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. When I put this on, my lashes look like I got on fake lashes, y'all. Seriously. It was $1.99 when I first got it. This time I got it, it was like $5.99. So I should have stocked up when they were like $2 and I would have been saving money. But yeah, let's put this blush on. I already got a little blush on. Oh, this is pigmented. I didn't think it was gonna be that pigmented. Oh, I look like a clown. You know they say start to put your blush up here now. Baby, I ain't know it was gonna have that much color to it. Oh my gosh. Let's try to blot it off. Blot. Okay, I feel like I will mostly use that for I'll use this for a eyeshadow more than a blush. This is very, I don't know, it depends on how it looks on camera. It honestly doesn't look that bad when I pull it far back. When I have it close up, I'm like, woo! Let me go wipe my hands. Oh. All right, also that was the Putty Blush. It's not really a putty, it's just cream. It's just a cream blush. I don't know why they call it a putty. I don't like when businesses false claim. Like, don't be false claiming. Like, this is not a putty. It's just a blush. It's just a cream blush. It's a cream. Okay. We're getting to the end. All right, next up, I got Marcel this hoodie. This mint green. Look at the receipt. I got Marcel this mint green. I don't want to mess it up because I just used makeup. But yeah, I got him this mint green hoodie to match this mint green shirt that I have. So we'll be matching soon. Soon. And then I'll be able to use my mint green eyeshadow and make it look cute, of course. And the last thing, oh, I got two more things from H&M. Got this leather dress. It's super cute. I tried it on, perfect length, perfect fit. And then I also got this dress, this neon and gray dress. Very cute for like summer. I tried it on, it looks amazing. Last but not least, I got the most important thing for this channel. I have finally purchased a camera, you guys. I got the Canon M50. I believe this is mostly for sit down videos. I'm gonna test it out. They say if you open it, you can't return it, I believe. Oh well. Let's take it out. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's so much dust in this room. I hope y'all can't see the dust. Ooh. Look at her. Oh, I don't like that. Ooh. I don't know how to act. All right, it's not charged. It's really not that heavy, but I think that I think the lens is gonna make it even heavier. But yeah, here's my new camera, EOS M50 Canon. Y'all, now this right here, this is gonna be my baby. I can already feel it. This is gonna be my cutie. I can take pictures with it and I can record. I don't know if I can do vlogs on it, but we'll see. We'll see. It does come with a lens. It does come with the lens. So I'm gonna play with it. I'm gonna put it back in the bag because I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, I'm gonna play with this camera. Hopefully I made a great decision to get it. We'll also be using it on my husband and I's joint channel, which is the Jamila and Marcel YouTube channel. So we're gonna be using that there too for like our talk through videos. So I'm excited about our new purchase, our new investment in our channels. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you could hear me clearly. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And thanks for tuning into this video. And I'll see you in the next What's New Wednesday. If not, I'll see you in a Hairy Thursday, a Fashion Files Friday, a Makeup Monday, or a How To Tuesday. Now, Saturdays and Sundays, I think I'm going to make those like talk through videos. So, I don't know. I'm excited though. Excited for what's to come. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave me a comment, telling me what type of videos y'all want to see. Let me know what you want to see. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.